Hello and welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Snapchat camera on Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Right after you open up your Snapchat app, the first home page that you can see will be your camera screen popping up. If you're not being able to see the camera option right after you open up your Snapchat and log into your account, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've enabled application permission for camera on Snapchat app. Simply go and tap open settings from your Android phone and from the settings menu, scroll down until you find apps and tap it on. Search for Snapchat from the list displayed on the screen. Give it a tap and this will open up your app info page. Scroll down until you see the permissions option and tap it on. Make sure that you've allowed access for your camera in the app permission page. Simply tap on camera if it is inside the denied tab and tap on allow in order to allow camera access on Snapchat app. Now you can go back by tapping on the arrow facing towards the left hand side on the top left. Go all the way back and once you've enabled the permission for camera, you can now go back and tap open Snapchat application. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your camera popping up right after you open the app. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to clear cache from your Snapchat app. From the app drawer, once you find Snapchat application, press hold the application and tap on app info. Tap on storage from the app info page. At the bottom right, tap on clear cache. If that still does not work, you can try updating your Snapchat application and see if you've got to download the latest version of the app. Tap open Play Store and go to the search box at the top. Search for Snapchat and once you perform your search, if you see an update button right next to Snapchat, simply tap on that button to download the latest version. Once you've done with the downloads, tap on open and this will launch open Snapchat. Now after making all of these changes, your problems should be solved. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Snapchat camera is not working on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.